सर है सजदे में लब पर सदा है यही कि सर है सजदे में लब पर सदा है यही। अरे उम्मती 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 कि सर है सजदे में लब पर दुआ है यही। उम्मती 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 उम्मती।
दरे अक़दस पे ले चल अर्श के मेहमान तक ले चल, दरे अक़दस पे ले चल अर्श के मेहमान तक ले चल। मुक़द्दर फिर मुझे अय्यूब के मेहमान तक ले चल, मुक़द्दर फिर मुझे अय्यूब के मेहमान तक ले चल। मुझे इफ्तार करने की तमन्ना है मदीने में, मुझे भी मस्जिद नबवी के दस्तरखान तक ले चल। मुझे इफ्तार करने की तमन्ना है मदीने में, मुझे भी मस्जिद नबवी के दस्तरखान तक ले चल। आइए दोस्तों, इसके बाद अजीजम मोहम्मद आकिब सल्लमू से गुजारिश करता हूं कि आप तशरीफ लाएं और इंग्लिश जुबान में अपनी तकरीर पेश फरमाएं।
हामिदन व मुस्लियन व मुस्लिमन अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम इन्नद-दीन इंदल्लाहिल इस्लाम सदक़ल्लाहुल अलीयुल अज़ीम। My dear audience, today I am here to talk on the topic of Islam and the world. It's a very important topic which is able to listen carefully. I hope you will listen my speech with patience. My dear comrades, Islam is the second largest religion in the world after Christianity, with 1.8 billion Muslims worldwide. Islam came in Mecca. The whole Arab was filled with injustice, cruelty, harassment, adultery, gambling, drinking and fighting each other. Deceiving and cheating were considered a hard and skillful business. Usury had become a part of their daily life. Because of usury, a poor becomes more poor and a rich become more rich. They were divided among race, color, gender and social rank. Dancing, singing, womanizing and poetry were become their routine. Women had no any status in the society. If any new baby girl was born, she was buried alive due to shame. Humanity had no any value. For them they lived meaningless lives. In this dark condition, the sun of Islam rose in Mecca, enlightened the world and gave it all that which a human being needs. Islam gave the world how to live the life. Islam gave the world how to treat with humanity. Islam gave the world a beautiful culture. Islam gave the woman a good respect and honor. Islam gave a lot to the world in terms of science, technology, medicine, art and culture. The world owes great deal to Islam in various fields of life. My dear friends, I would like to ask what we need for developing the education. Of course, the education is a great gift of Islam, because in the first verse of the Holy Quran, the Muslims were ordered to seek knowledge by Almighty Allah, as it was mentioned in Surah Iqra. Iqra bismi rabbikal ladhi khalaq, khalaqal insana min alaq. Iqra wa rabbukal akram, alladhi allama bil qalam, allama al insana ma lam ya'lam. Read in the name of your Lord who created man from a cloud. Read and your Lord is the most bounteous, who taught by pen, taught the man which he did not know. The Prophet Muhammad said, Al-ilmu min al-mahdi ila al-lahad, seeking knowledge from the cradle to the grave. And in another hadith he said, Talabul ilmi fariidatun ala kulli muslimin wa muslima. Islam is the most comprehensive religion on the face of the earth, and it covers all important aspects of human life. It requires Muslims to be learned and got highly skilled. In fact, Islam has given a lot to the world in terms of science. One of the most famous exponents of Muslim universalism and enlightenment figure in Islamic learning was Ibn Sina. His most important medical works are the Qanun. The Qanun Philtip is immense encyclopedia of medicine. Now I am going to conclude my speech. Thank for listening my speech carefully. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.
MashaAllah.